All right, what's up guys, and welcome back to the channel, and thanks for joining in. So I'm back at it again with another exciting matchup for you guys here tonight, and I'm pretty excited about this one. I want to welcome back the 2003 Subaru WRX. Now, last time you guys saw this car on the channel, it raced up against a McLaren 720S. Now I have his hood popped up. I'm going to give you a little bit of details of what's done to this car. Now this car has a fully built 2.5 motor with a Precision 6466 turbo with full supporting mods, and he's got a 07 STI transmission in there. Now this car is completely gutted. He weighs somewhere around 3,000 pounds or 3,000 pounds, and you know these cars are all-wheel drive. And he's gonna be running up against the Audi TTRS that you guys know already. Now, since his hood's popped, I'm gonna show you what's done to it. This is a complete fully built motor. It has a IROZ IMS850 turbo kit with full supporting mods, upgraded clutch pack, and running on E85 as well. Now this car is slightly heavier, not by much. It probably weighs somewhere around 3,100 pounds, but it's hasn't been weighed yet, but it does have some weight reduction. Now, of course, this car is also all-wheel drive as well. So I'll be riding in the TTRS while the Subi goes solo. All right, guys. So we're gonna do a 40. Are you ready? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Good race.
170.
Good race. All right, guys. Round 2. 50 roll. You ready? 1, 2, 3. Wow. That brake boost made a huge difference on
That
it.
was 60.
Oh, it was 60 roll?
Yeah, it was 60.
Oh boy. All right, guys.
Come back here.
Tiebreaker round. 55 roll.
Come back.
Slow down. Yo!
Look at me.
Slow down, slow down. Alright. Alright. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3! Oh, you got him. That was a close one though. Wow, that WRX moves out.
Yeah.
Alright guys, so we're finished here. Hope you guys liked the video, and I really hope you guys like that WRX, because that's a fast one. Later.